How can augmented reality help kids? Augmented reality can be summarized as an evolved version of real physical world which is made possible with the use of the visual elements, sound and other sensory elements that are digital. Why it is the future of learning. AR combines the virtual world and the physical world with the help of superimposing images or animations that are computer-generated into the real-life situation. It has reduced the burden on the teachers and students alike by promoting the idea of learning self-learning in kids, thus leading them to be independent. As the technique of learning advances, AR is the new age tech that is making learning fun and more practical. How does AR help kids to learn better? No special requirement for equipment. Improves your kids' engagement in the classes by giving them a real-life experience. Promotes interactivity. Gives them an idea of technology. Enhances their interests in the subject of learning. AR in classroom. The use of AR in the classroom can increase the use of number of applications that facilitates learning. With this tech, educators can give the students idea and a clearer picture of materialized abstract concepts, thus leading kids to visualize challenging situations.